Hi guys, you are once again welcome to the Ryde channel. You know, on the Ryde channel we always have special stuff for you, and today on this episode of JoyRyde I have this beautiful blue car that I'm going to drive and share my experience with you. On JoyRyde, it's about having a go at people's pride and joy and telling you how we also feel and try to communicate the excitement and the joy and the love for the car to you. So make sure you stick and stay to the very end, and make sure you don't stay selfish. Share and subscribe, and make sure you turn your notifications on. Guys, this is the BMW E46, and the top is open. I like my cabriolets, I like my convertibles, and I have this opportunity to experience it and share that excitement with you. Let's go. Yes, this is the E46 BMW. One of the most important, the most popular BMWs ever. I mean, BMW shipped about 3.6 million copies of this car, and they came in all manner of shapes and sizes. Okay, the only thing they didn't build officially of this car is the E46 pickup truck, but I'm sure somebody somewhere has a pickup truck of the E46. Awesome car. Yes, it's no secret I'm a big fan of BMWs. I've owned one before, and right off the bat, just stepping on the accelerator, it feels familiar. Okay, it feels familiar, it feels stout, it feels well put together, and even a car for this age that has seen several restorations. My God. Having a lot of fun. And that is what JoyRyde is about, to be able to communicate the excitement, to be able to communicate how fun someone's pride and joy is to you. Okay. And that is what it's about. Now this car is not just about, you know, zooming at high speed. It can also cruise comfortably, efficiently. Very, 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 very fun. You know, this is the E46. Now this E46 originally had a 2.5 liter straight six engine, but now that has been upgraded to a 3.0. So this is effectively a 330 Ci BMW convertible, and in this awesome shade of blue. It's an awesome car just to look at it packed. And you know, one thing about the E46 is the coupes and the convertibles had a lower profile, you know, side profile, that makes them look and sound and I don't even know the adjective to use. Awesome car, awesome experience, and I'm loving my time with this particular E46 BMW convertible. Okay, and I hope I'm doing it justice. I hope you guys can feel the excitement, can feel, you know, all the different kinds of emotions that I'm feeling right now in this particular car. Now this is a car that, you know, cruise competently, so you can just, you know, lay it back a little bit and just cruise on a Sunday afternoon like this, when the weather is cozy, when the weather is nice. Yes, it's really cool. And one thing about this car is that I'm surprised, even this window is not fully, you know, rolled up, but the noise, the wind noise in the cabin is well controlled, and it gives a sense of security, gives a sense of comfort and cruisability. Okay, if I can use a word like that. Awesome car. Yes, the roads are free. Now let's see, can I sprint? Okay, can I sprint? Can I sprint? Let's see, let me get it on and let's see what's up inside. Woo! Let's go, guys, let's go. Now the thing about the E46 is that it became popular because it was very well put together, it drove well, for the enthusiasts, it gave a lot of performance and dynamism, you know, for what it was worth, you know. So it was almost like a bargain, and a no-brainer if you were, you know, at that time of your life where you could get into something at this price point. And for all the different drivetrains, you could get them with some level of sophistication, some level of performance that will give you comfort, that will give you satisfaction. So everybody bought BMW E46s, and I know so many people, family, friends, who have owned E46s at different times of their lives. Some bought them new, some bought them used, some bought very special ones that needed restoration. And I've seen people restoring M3, E46 M3s, and this particular restoration of this 330 Ci is an example of how beloved this particular BMW is. 3.8 million cars don't just sell for nothing. It has to be special, it has to be good, and the E46 is that good. And one of its hallmarks was how well it handled all the different guises, all the different powertrains, all the different versions. Handled very, very well, were dynamic, and the engines, because of how tractable they are, gave a lot of satisfaction to customers who loved to drive their E46s. And yes, you can't say bad things about the E46. This is a very, very, very good car. This is a very great car, and it has, you know, cemented itself in the annals of automotive history. And I'm enjoying this particular example, and I hope I'm doing it justice. I hope I am bringing you along. You know, you can feel the excitement, you can feel the joy, and you can get a sense of what the E46 is about. Yeah. Let me step on it a little bit. Yes. So the gentleman who owns this car, I'm going to put a description to his ex, and he talks about how he got to, you know, own this car. And this is a car that he had to buy twice. That tells you how much he loves the car. In fact, at this moment in time, he's talking about selling it, but when he saw me took off in the car, he says, now I'm trying to change my mind. It is that good, it is that memorable, and it is that special, the E46. You know, I mean, if the 330 Ci gives such feeling, what about the M3 convertible, or even the coupe of the M3? Maybe one day I get to drive that as well. Probably I get to drive the CSL, or better still, get to own it, because if I get an opportunity to have one of those in my garage, I am not going to say no. I am never ever going to say no. And for those of you who have been following this channel for a long time, I'm sure you know that I am a sucker for convertibles. I always talk about convertibles. I've not owned one yet, but it's something that I really like and appreciate. I can understand what those who own them, you know, experience. And today, yes, I can feel it. Let me enjoy it whilst it lasts. Now, the story of the build of this car is going to be in the description. The link to it will be in the description. Make sure you follow. And just say a kind word to the gentleman who lent this car to us, okay? Yes, it's not easy for people to give out their special cars, you know, for people to drive and experience them. So yes, send out a very nice word, say thank you. Another good thing about the E46s, and for most BMWs, is that they are not afraid of the corners. They like to eat corners. In fact, you have a BMW and you don't know that it can eat corners, You are not doing the car justice. They like to eat corners. Lovely, lovely experience. Guys, thank you. Alright guys, so it has been an awesome time shooting this beautiful E46 BMW 330 Ci, and I've always known about this particular car, but this experience is also one for the books. And just look at the car, just look at it. Beautiful, beautiful car with these rims, AC Schnitzer. This is very, very much a rim that this car deserves, or feels that this car deserves. Okay, let's go around. It has some xenon conversions. All right, then look at the kidney grills. In this particular one, it is blacked out, looking nice. And we have the 50th anniversary, you know, emblem here. The sweet, 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 sweet car. Just look at how well it sits. Just look how well the car just sits there. Beautiful car. Okay, yes, so like I said earlier, if you are a motoring fan and you are interested in getting a project car and E46 is on your list, yes, don't hesitate, don't think about it too much. Yes, go get the E46, and if you can get this particular one, ooh, get it as quick as you can. Beautiful, beautiful car. As always, my name is Eddie Poku. We like to bring you nice, beautiful experiences like this. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the Ryde channel. All the build details of this particular E46 is on the Owner's X channel, so I'll put a link in the description. Just click on it and you'll see exactly what he went through building the car to become what it is today. Thank you guys, I appreciate you. Make sure you don't remain selfish. Share the link. As I always say, thank you, and bye for now.